I'm at the not Citco. I am at the Circle K on Jeffco Boulevard. I just repaired a flushometer in the bathroom. I've replaced the actuator cartridge the other day, and then today I replaced the shaft assembly, and that got it working. There's no longer water hissing through the valve. The pressure is at 65 pounds on top of the valve, which is great. I'm going to do a flush here to show you it's working. Voila! I've flushed this about 10 times, so I don't want to make you sit through the video here and watch me flush it 10 times, but everything's working just fine. No water running into the bowl, no hissing through the valve. Everything's good. That concludes the video.